and so excited to have you join us from all over the world in Tel Aviv, the cyber capital. Over the last 12 years, Cyber Week has become one of the most important cybersecurity conferences in the world. If you are looking for top content, world-class thought leaders, expert ideas, and professional networking, then this is the place to be. Our week is packed with over 30 conferences, roundtables, and networking events, all featuring cyber innovation and technologies that are changing the world. Cyber Week is hosted by the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center and the Yuval Workshop for Science, Technology, and Security at Tel Aviv University, together with the Israel National Cyber Directorate. Welcome to our main plenary event, where you will hear from outstanding speakers, keynotes, and panels. Don't forget to visit our startup exhibition and conference this afternoon, and check the agenda for more great events taking place on campus. Take your seats. Time to begin. The main plenary at the Cyber Event of the Year starts now.
Good morning. So good to see you. And welcome to Cyber Week 2022. After 2 years of the pandemic, we can gather again, face to face. Without doubt, we've missed you and the full Cyber Week's experience here at Tel Aviv University. My name is Gili Drob-Heistein, and I'm the Executive Director of the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center and the Yuval Workshop for Science, Technology, and Security at Tel Aviv University, hosts and creators of Cyber Week. Let me take you back 12 years to this very stage. The Prime Minister of Israel stood here, together with Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel, and launched the Israel National Cyber Initiative. The ICRC was then created as a result. This was the basis of the unique ecosystem here in Israel, of industry, government, army, and academia, working together, putting Israel on the map as the place for cyber, which is what makes Israel a national cyber leader. At the time, Cyber Week was one of the few conferences dedicated to cybersecurity in the world, and the first in Israel. A lot has changed over this time, but what has not changed, in fact, it has only grown, is the importance of this conference and what it means to bring all of us together from all around the world. 12 years on, and we are so excited to have you here with us today. Raise your hand if you are joining us from the US, Finland, yoo! Singapore, woo! India, oh, great, Ghana, oh, hi, I could keep going. And how exciting it is to have a large delegation for the first time from Australia, South Africa, and the Czech Republic. And I could keep going and going. We have a long list here. There are many of you who have fought with us hard for months to bring you all here today. And we are so proud and excited to have you here in Tel Aviv. Indeed, it is an honor to have top-tier government leaders, as well as industry's executives, startups, investors, military commanders, and leading lights from academic. All of you are reshaping the future of cyber. I would like to take the opportunity to thank our partners from the Israel National Cyber Directorate and the Ministry of Economy, as well as the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Your hard work and dedication to cyber in our country is appreciated. I must also mention the genius minds behind some of the event ideas. There are too many of you to thank aloud, but all of you know who you are, and we are incredibly grateful. A big thank you to our sponsors for enabling this event to happen. Thank you. You might assume that the 40 events and the incredible content we will have over this week is a result of a big team. In fact, everything you see has been organized by a small but mighty team. Ravital Yaron, Roni Sharir, Liana Rubin, Dania Fried, Lauren Schoenweiss, Tal Fegenbaum, Liron Rothstein, Karen Bogosh, and all our interns. Thank you for making this happen. Thank you very much. You all know what an amazing lineup of speakers we have for you today. So I leave it to them to take it from here. But first, it is my honor to call onto the stage Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel, the father of Israel's cyber revolution and the head of Cyber Week. I wish you all an enjoyable and wonderful Cyber Week.
Good morning, everyone. First, welcome to Tel Aviv University, also to Tel Aviv, the city. We started this Cyber Week conference 12 years ago. This is number 12. 11 years ago, this is number 12, which means a year before the Israeli government approved the plan that I had the honor to submit to her of how to make Israel one of the leading countries in the world in cybersecurity. The idea was not, I mean, we did not invent, of course, the cybersecurity. The idea was to, in a way, come out of the closet, make it a legitimate subject for every normal civilian occupation, and not limiting it only to security, defense, and intelligence services. I'm glad that we overcame, in a way, we are in our way to overcome the COVID-19 and go back to normal life with real people talking with each other, exchanging ideas in all the disciplines involved in cybersecurity. And when I say all the disciplines, I don't mean only purely technological disciplines, but also all the other aspects which are as important, legal issues, policy, even conflict between values like privacy and security, etc. And I wish us all a very fruitful conference. Thank you, and I would like to invite now the rector of Tel Aviv University. Is he here? I hope so. Professor Max Steif. I mean, the lights are on my eyes. Is he here? Okay, if not many, come please. One of the problems that technology can solve, I'm speaking especially about artificial intelligence, is the traffic jamming. I hope he is not caught in this.